up on my new warm-ups. You know how people do singing warm-ups? What's up, guys? Today I get to go on vacation. When I started the company, got going, didn't realize all the other stuff you have to do with business, like answer phone calls, answer emails, deal with employees, time off, workers' comp, all that crazy stuff. But today, I get to do what I love, and that's wrap cars, and this is why it's a vacation for me. So if you guys want to go on vacation with me today, this is where we're going. That makes sense?
Yeah, we're going on vacation.
We're going on vacation. You want to go?
Hey guys, I've been on vacation too.
Oh, welcome back! You made it!
Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote.
Before we get started, one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna measure out all the panels, and we're actually gonna write them down, because what I wanna do is I wanna cut all the panels in advance. You having a granola bar while you're vlogging? Hey, it's really hard to talk to the camera when the guy's just eating a granola bar behind the camera, but hey, I'm really proud of that, dude. Look at him. Looks like a different man. Looks like a different man.
What's up, guys?
I'm back here from the golf club.
Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all, A6 all the hay.
All right, the color that we're gonna be wrapping is matte metallic purple from Avery. So if you work with Avery, you know it's a very light tack. You really don't have any room to stretch or overstress the material because the adhesive on Avery is very low tack, but it's really nice to work with. If you've worked with Avery material in the past or you're curious, this stuff is awesome to work with. Before we get started, we're gonna cut all of the panels just so we have all of that worked out. My goal today is to be efficient and get as much done as possible. Going into the holiday weekend, we will be gone from Thursday, Friday, and we'll be back in on Saturday to get all the Black Friday orders out. But because we're gonna have a couple days off, today I need to be as efficient as possible. My goal is to have everything all the way around the car wrapped, and you guys can watch. Let's do it.
There you go. Come on.
Like a virgin. Touch for the berry. All right, so a little update. I've been on vacation for about 2 hours. This is what I got done so far. And if you guys don't recall, vacation is this. I enjoy doing this, so I'm having a blast doing it. I feel like I'm on vacation because I'm not having to do anything else in the business. That belongs all over there, all of the, hey, what's up guys? Now I love those dudes, but I'm not having to do what they're doing. I'm doing what I love, wrapping. So I got the fender wrapped, got the quarter panel wrapped, the door wrapped, and I think that I'm gonna move on to the hood, knock this big ass hood out. It is a very, 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 very big hood. Alright guys, so I didn't really record the process of me doing the hood. I did it solo, so it was a little difficult, but I want to show you guys the end result. I want to show you all the corners, the edges. Let me see if I can get focused in. So this is where we're at. Everything's getting done with high quality. It is happening really fast, but I guess one of the things I want to emphasize is that although it's happening fast and I am doing it solo, it's all going down with quality. That's what we care about, so everything's going really nice. All right, in addition to wrapping the Mercedes today, the guys have also been in the shipping room, shipping out orders. They got a little bit done. I'd say they got a few done. Shout out to them. Thank you guys for ordering on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that good stuff, supporting our business during our sale. Amazing, thank you guys so much. We're gonna continue wrapping. We're starting to do the rear bumper now. As you can see, the front bumper's done already. Super, super, super clean. Thank you, Johnny.
Dude, black. This would look good on the S63. I was really thinking purple, but let's
Do a call out, bro. Send a car out.
I should. Let me
Send a car out, or we'll go up there and we'll wrap it with you guys.
I like the KPMS purple.
I'm gonna be working on the other Skyline soon. Maybe
Okay.
we can do that one.
That's the 4-door, right?
Yeah, the 4-door
Okay,
one.
cool.
I have the kit and everything for that too. So
All right, you guys heard it here first. We're gonna wrap.
can do it.
The
Excuse to come to
KPMS
SoCal.
I'm telling you, bro. You can hang out here. We'll have a little party.
Okay, I'm down.
Henny
Henny.
party. Henny party.
And, oh, we'll take shots of Henny, and then you let me wrap something.
There we go.
Oh,
We're
that's
gonna get you fucked up and
content.
make you rap.
That'd be sick. I kind of want to learn.
He gets better as the more drunk he gets. man.
Hey.
Come on in. Different car.
Wow. Oh man. What do you think?
I love it. I'm telling you, bro. Like I said it. I didn't know if I was gonna like it. I love it, bro. I love it. I think it looks awesome.
I have tomorrow the spoilers coming in too.
The carbon lip. Okay. That'll be dope. That'll be dope. We put all the black patches on too, so those are all the way around.
That was great.
We ended up getting those on.
Yeah.
Those fit.
Those fit good, right? Yeah, that's great. Oh, that's pretty nice right there. How you did that?
Little hitting spot.
I like that. It's all good, dude. It's all good. Hey, dude. It's all good, man.
All the little details, dude. I'm telling you, like this is one of those ones you can crawl through the whole car and just see how everything tied together with the black and the skirt.
See how the lines pop
Yes,
out a lot more.